Hello guys! Let us observe how the crabs climb. That one. Oh, you will be the winner. Come on, go, 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 go. Yep, yep, you are on top. Yep. Oh, he fall down because the other one pull him. Kaya pala. Nakita ko na. They cannot progress because they step on the other crab. Just like this. Oh, that one also very energetic. There, there, there. Climb on top of the other one. The other one said, no, 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 no. Don't come. Don't ride on my back. There. Oh, come on, come on. They fight. You see? Climbs, they will pull the legs and everybody fall. Oh, there, there. You see? You see that one there? Step, intertwine with each other. There is another small one. One said, I want to go up. Oh, now here is the one. Breathing, resting. He said, I will take a rest and then later I will continue to climb. But you see this one? Oh, you see the legs? Oh, the one inside, they said, I want to get out. Oh, here is the big legs. I want to get out. So the big one got out. Oh, nobody won. Nobody went up. Hi guys. Have you seen the characteristics of crab? That is not good. As human being, let us help one another. If one wants to excel, want to be successful, what we do is we push them up to reach their goal. If they reach their goal, if they are blessed by God, let us rejoice with them. Thank you so much. Please subscribe on my YouTube channel, Ibune Ifugao Vlogger. Thank you and goodbye.